No partner, no worries. Imagine it's a quiet evening and you're sitting at your desk staring at your phone. You see others chatting in English, sharing their thoughts and making friends, while you wonder why you still feel stuck. You've watched videos, read books, and listened to podcasts, but the fear of speaking, being judged, or making mistakes still holds you back. Now, what if I told you that you can become a confident English speaker without needing a partner? Yes, even if you're shy or nervous, there's a simple way to learn on your own. Let me share a quick story about David. David is 24 years old from a small town in Texas. He always dreamed of speaking English fluently, but he was too scared to try because he thought he would make mistakes. He tried language apps and practiced with friends, but nothing worked until one day he found a video that showed him a new way to learn without a partner. David started by talking to himself, describing his day, what he saw, and how he felt. Soon he began to feel more confident. By using easy techniques like repeating short audio clips, reading aloud, recording his voice, and using language apps, his fear slowly melted away. Now, David speaks English confidently, and his story can be yours too. Here's a simple plan to help you start. First, talk to yourself. Practice by describing your day out loud. Say simple things like, "I am making breakfast," or "I see a pretty sunset." This helps you get used to hearing your own voice. Second, shadowing. Listen to short clips in English and try to repeat every word exactly as you hear it. This might feel tricky at first, but it trains your ear and speech. Third, read aloud. Pick a book, article, or blog post and read it out loud. Focus on clear pronunciation and the natural rhythm of English. Fourth, record. Yourself. Record your voice for 1 minute and listen carefully. Notice one small area you can improve and try again. Each recording makes you better. Fifth, use technology. Use free apps and websites that help you practice English. Watch YouTube videos or listen to podcasts. They provide practice without needing a partner. Sixth, practice daily. Even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference. Consistent practice will slowly boost your confidence. Seventh, surround yourself with English. Change your phone's language, follow English pages on social media, and listen to English music. The more you see and hear the language, the easier it becomes. Eighth, celebrate every step. Every new word learned or sentence spoken is a win. Enjoy these small victories. They add up to big progress. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment or the perfect partner. With these easy steps, you can start speaking English confidently today. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your journey to a fluent future starts with just one small step. Thank you for watching English Talk Daily. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Believe in yourself and take action. Your English-speaking future is waiting.